can see, it's your man BG Tech Life. Got the Note 20 Ultra on deck, and we got a nice case from Ghostek. Shout out to Ghostek for sending this thing out, man. We've actually got the Autonomic Slim 3 from Ghostek. You can see it right there, Autonomic Slim 3. Now, this thing is R7 shock absorbing technology, 12 feet drop tested. So we're gonna have to get into it. On the back, check that out. Wireless charging capable, so you can wireless charge with this thing. It's multi-layered, non-slip grip. Now that's important, guys, because you want, as long as you can avoid dropping your device, the less chance you have of messing your device up. So we got the raised camera lip. Of course, you want to protect that super big camera bump on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Aluminum alloy frame. That's dope right there, guys. And slim, precise fit. You don't want to make it too bulky. Limited lifetime warranty from Ghostek. So I like anything with a warranty, guys. As you can see, we got the black and red type Ghostek packaging with the case present. So we're gonna go ahead and get the case out, guys. I'm gonna get this thing out like so. It's in a tray, nice and black, matching my black Note 20 Ultra. Here, dump this out. And what do we have here, guys? We got a thank you for your purchase from Ghostek. And let me see if we can locate Ghostek on here. Alright, thank you for your purchase. And as you can see, Instagram Ghostek_products, Facebook Ghostek products, Twitter Ghostek products, and YouTube Ghostek products channel. So yeah, you check them folks out over at Ghostek. We got a little Ghostek sticker, guys. So we got some makeshift foam up in here. Get this out. And I might struggle through this video a little bit, guys, because y'all be saying cut your fingernails, BG, cut your fingernails. Alright, I cut them and now I don't have no fingernails to do anything that I want. Alright, so some more Ghostek stuff. This is a very dope bumper case, guys. Very good looking and feels amazing, guys. It's made out of that aluminum alloy. So to the touch, when I pulled it out of the case, guys, it actually was cold. It's a very nice construction, very nice build, very sturdy, just a very handsome case, guys, and a great build. I expected to like this case when I seen it in the packaging, but when I pulled it out and actually got to feel it in hand and how sturdy it is and how that aluminum alloy is built, it's something different. It's way better than what I expected, guys. Very nice case. As you can see, let's just check it out. We got that Ghostek branding. We got cutouts on the bottom for your Type-C and your speaker and your S Pen. Nice big S Pen cutout. As always, comes in handy. On the side, we got some grips, which is a good thing. Grip, keep you from dropping the phone. Atomic, and as you can see, got it on the same thing on the right side. Atomic with some nice grips. Very dope case, guys. And as you can see, we even got padding on the inside so you don't damage your device, guys. This is a very nice case, guys. Definitely something to really this is a nice bumper right here, guys. Can't lie. So we're gonna go ahead and drop the Note 20 Ultra in here, and this is perfect, black on black. And there we go, guys. Might need a little wipe down because I'm touching it, but this thing is definitely, as you can see, we got big camera protection, guys. We got nice aluminum with a nice button press. Nice, almost feels like it's a spring-loaded button press, guys. Very dope. As you can see, we got a raised up lip from the screen. Just a very dope case right here, guys. Shout out to Ghostek for sending out the Atomic Slim. Just a very dope case, guys. I'm really feeling this case. I'm gonna be rocking this case. I'm gonna take a microfiber to this case, of course, but as you can see, very clean look for your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, guys. Your man BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.